Okay, welcome back guys again. This is another tutorial which is going to show us uh, something new about Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office can read aloud, talk or speak the text of document to you. It is possible in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook and OneNote. So Word 2016 for Windows has two features. The Speak has been the latest version of Word for Windows. It is being used or it is in other versions, but there have been upgrades in 2016. So I think 2013 up to 2016 there is this feature that will help you, will read your work for you. Okay, so you open your work. This is a tenancy agreement. So I want Microsoft Office to read it. You go to File, then you click on Options. So when you click on Options, we have General Display, Languages, and Advanced. So you select Quick Access Toolbar. Quick Access Toolbar. So we have a bunch of quick access tools that are commands. So I have already, so I will remove and try to show you again. So we have a lot of proper commands here, but our own, we will not find our commands in the proper commands. So you see the ribbons here at the left side. You can see on your Microsoft Office, on the title bar at the left side, you can see so many ribbons. So the ribbons consist of the save, undo, and the redo. So we are going to add our own, which is going to read Microsoft Office, our bunch of work for us, to those ribbons. So we are not going to find it in the proper commands. So you select the proper commands at the top, then you choose other commands, which is all commands. So all commands that is in Microsoft Word is going to appear. Then you search for speak. So you can use the search button, or you can use the letter S to search. You can use the scroll button also to search for speak. So I found my speak. You select the speak, then you click on add. So it will be added to the ribbons which is found besides the title bar. Okay, so you click on OK to save the work. So if you want Microsoft Word to read everything for you, you select Ctrl plus A, that is select all, to read it for you. But if you want a selected portion, you can also select a portion, then you let Microsoft Office read it for you. So we are going to allow Microsoft Office to read all a bunch of work for us. So we have our work. Here is the speak symbol or the sign. So speak the selected text. So you have to select the text before the Office can speak. So you click on Control A to select all the work if you want Microsoft Word to read all the work. Then you click on speak. And click on the speak.
Conditions of the agreement in the house is that heater is not allowed to be used in the house. The tenant shall not sublet the room to anybody whenever he/she intends to move from the room. If any of them, tenants, inmates offends you, please report to the landlord for amicable settlement. The tenant shall not operate any sound system or radio at a very high volume to disturb his co-tenant next to him/her. The tenant has to pay him/her share of light, water, and other bills which may be due to be paid in the house. Upon this agreement, the landlord has rented.
So you can stop whilst it is reading. You can click on the button so that it will stop. So this is a cool new feature Microsoft Office can read a bunch of work for you. Thanks for watching.